This is in big startling news. Yemeni fired 2 missiles at a U.S. ship. It was a warship. Fell short. Threatened us. We didn't do nothing over there. We didn't do nothing yet. We have done nothing yet. And that's the truth. You better respect it. Watch who they're bombing. Yemen's been at war with Saudi Arabia, flying Iranian carp around the world because of birds. Because of Kurds. Bad situation. He was missed. He was mishit. U.S. ships fell short in the water. They got the right to fire in the U.S. This has done nothing to me. This has done nothing. That's 2 strikes. That's 2 strikes. That's they're probably firing at Saudi Arabia. Cotton away to the U.S. The missiles won't go that far. The missiles won't go that far. They shouldn't attack the U.S. ship. They shouldn't have attacked the U.S. ship. Yemeni's been at war with the Houthis forever. 6,997 dead in the war. Nothing compared to Syria. Syria has 1 million people dead. Sickening. It's never seen in my life. They have to fire at a nation. This is something big stuff. Thank you.